What's up, everybody? Welcome to chapter 15 of .com secrets, and we are at part 3, which is solution. So we were covering self-liquidating over as self-liquidating offer, which is SLO funnel, and in this funnel we were studying star, story, and solution script. So we have covered star, who is the attractive character, story, which would fill the bridge, and now today we are on section 3, which is solution, right? So well, we also you can also call this hook, story, offer. So in short, we also call this thing. So solution is like, now you have introduced yourself, okay, then you have made a bridge with the person. Now you have to give that guy the final solution, right? Your offer, your solution. How did you solve your problem? What were the things which you discovered while you were in the same problems? Was that some particular advice? Was that some particular educational material? Did you follow some particular method? Did you create your own method? What happened actually in the way? Like, if you are successful today, you were at the same spot where your dream audience is at this point of time, then you must have done something, right? That's the reason you have some solution. Now you have to provide that solution to your audience, and you have to explain that thing to your audience, build a connection with your audience, and finally get the money. That's what we are going to do. So this is star, story, solution, script, and we are at solution, which is section 3. Today we'll be covering chapter 15 of .com secrets, and tomorrow we'll be starting with next funnel. So let's get this started. So on the, like, the first thing is formal introduction. So in this, what the thing is, you have to introduce the product over here. So just a very formal introduction. So now you have built connection, story, and now, okay, I was also facing all of these things which you are facing at this point of time. So that's the reason I created this secret formula which can solve all your problems. So you just have to name some fancy name, like my kickstart formula, my launch later formula, whatever it is. So whatever name you like. So you have to just keep a very crazy awesome name to your thing, and like that's how you're gonna start your solution part, like the third section of SLO script. And then we have pain and cost. See, every solution comes with pain, right? Suppose if I am helping a digital marketer in their career, then I can save their 5 years of struggle. They'll have to start their life with some free internship in the beginning, and then they'll be working for someone for 10 to 15,000 rupees a month, and they'll do all these struggles, they'll discover the way. So in that process, that will take their 5 years of your time, and they would be getting paid hardly 200 $300 a month maximum. They would able to get $500. They would not be able to make more than $500 in those 5 years of span. So what is the pain, what is the cost if they do not move ahead with you, with me, or with you at this point of time? Then what is the pain and what is the cost they'll be paying for that? That's what we have to exaggerate. So just giving a couple of statement examples. So this took 5 years to create and costed me $1,000 or $2,000, $10,000, whatever the price it was, right? But it was totally worth it. So if I explain about myself, if I'm selling my educational digital marketing course, then I can say this costed me 7 years of time. I started my journey when I was in first year of my college, and this is, I have been 3 years after graduation. That costed me 7 to 8 years of time, and for all these 7 to 8 years, I have worked for almost free. I wasn't getting paid. So there was a huge opportunity cost which was attached to it. So that's pain and cost, and you have to exaggerate that thing, right? Then the 20th element is ease. So how much this effort save you, right? What does this product do? How much this ease things for you, right? So you can say, I read more than 50 books to get this concept, but I'm giving you the cream from all these 50 books. If this product would not be here, if this program would not be here, then you have to go through all those 50 books. So if that takes around a week to read a book, then that will take you around 50 weeks to get this program, this framework only, which I'll be delivering you in the next 5 minutes, or which I'll be delivering in the product. So that's what you have to do. Ease, how ease that is. So now we are exaggerating the solution. Now we are pushing pressure. Why this is must for you? We have to create FOMO, fear of missing out, right? That these are the sort of things we'll be doing in this portion, right? And then we have speed. So how much does this product save you, right? So what used to take me this much time, I can get this done, right? So suppose let's take about copywriting, right? So if I give you my example, I have read more than 10 books on copywriting, a couple of different courses and things like that. But today, after having 3 to 4 years of experience in digital marketing industry, I'm very much certain on which type of headlines works really, really best. Like honestly, I have just 5 to 6 headlines which I use 95% of the times, and they work really, really well. And we charge $500 to create that particular landing page, right? $500, and that hardly takes us 2 hours to create that particular landing page. So that's how that increases my speed. I can do finish that job in just 2 hours, which a normal person would take around a month to do. Why? Because I have the formula, the success formula. What are the best converting headlines? I know the framework, I know the structure, and I can deliver you the exact structure, and that would certainly work, right? That's speed. Then we have another feature, which is so benefits, right? So explain why they need this, right? By writing out 3 or 4 benefits followed by the words. So like suppose let's take out, this is an example of fitness products, right? So burns fat while you sleep, so you can lose weight without exercising. That's one of the benefits. Builds your list on autopilot, you can concentrate on running your business. So what are we doing is we are just focusing on benefits of the product. Then we have social proof, right? Everyone knows social proof. So these are your testimonials. Let the prospects read what others say about the product, but don't just take my word of it. Like I'm giving you a statement example, how does this social proof element looks like, but just don't take my word for it. Here's what others are saying, this slash. So if suppose if Hardik, suppose Hardik has been learning from me since a year now. If Hardik says about me, so Deepak has saved me 4 years of struggle, and like I love how I can now see everything, I can taste the success. So I am at a point of time, I am at that point of success where a person who has started his career 7 years back, he can't even imagine of. So just because of Deepak. So that looks like the social proof, which builds so much of credibility,
Yeah,
right? And then we
perfect.
have make the offer, right? So before making your offer, before pitching your product, right, what we are doing is we are pushing a lot on the product, right? We are just showing them the benefits, the speed, the pain, the pleasure. So right, pain to pleasure thing, that's what we do in marketing and sales. So we are showing him the pain, the pleasure, like how much much efforts and pain that has costed me, and how much effort and pain it can save from yours. How that particular product, which took me 7 years to create, can help you in getting your success in just 7 weeks or in 7 days, right? So that's how we have not introduced the product yet, but we are exaggerating on the benefits of the product, right? Again, one more thing, it's not compulsory that you have to use all the scripts in SL offer only. It's totally up to you. You can use them in your ads, you can use them in your video sales letters, you can pitch the kind of products you want. These are just the elements. It's totally about you, how you will use them, right? So you can use them wherever you want. Then we'll be making the offer, right? And the offer would look like this. So explain, but the buyers would be getting. But so I'm giving you sample statements from this book itself. But before you get started, let me ask you a question. Would you like to get access to your product name for less than the cost of a cheap meal for two? You can get access to everything inside of your product name. Now, while it would be impossible to show you all of the benefits of your product name, I want to show you some of the things that you'll experience as soon as you are inside. So that's what we are doing. We are giving an introduction of the product. That's what we are doing, right? Then what we have to do is we have to build value. Now you'll be showing additional bonuses, additional features, and that would support that one thing. and that would be the focus of the entire sales letter. So that would look like this. Plus you will get dash dash and dash 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 and dash means the products additional things they would be getting. So let me give an example. If I'm selling my educational course, then how I can do this? So along with my educational course, like call that 45 days mastery challenge, along with my 45 days mastery challenge, you will be getting 500 best converting ads of all the time, which my team has documented. And from where we take references every single day while creating the ads for us and for our clients. Along with that, you'll be getting 200 best converting landing pages, which convert almost all of the time. They are one of the best successful businesses of all the time in the world, and you can just model them. So that's another bonus, right? The third bonus, I'm giving them additional value. Plus I'll be giving you my exclusive interview with some recognizable name, and that has costed me around $10,000 to get this revenue, but you'll be getting exclusive access to this interview just because you are a part of my world, and I want to help you the best I can. So that's how I'm just making the deal even more sweeter at the same price. That's the only job I'm doing, right? So that would be building value. Then it's price anchor, right? So what you have to do is now you have to give them a higher price, right? You'll have to give them a fake price, a floor price, but the product should look like that it has that much value, right? Suppose if I am pitching my product for 2 lakh rupees, which is usually 3,000 US dollars, right? In US dollars, before pitching $3,000, that should really look like that the price of my product is $3,000. I should have built so much value, right, before pitching this product. If I am unable to create so much value before pitching this product, then would that would be a bad pitch. The pitch should have that particular price feeling. They should get the feeling, right? So then what we will do, we'll be using the benefit of anchoring effect. So we'll be giving them a higher price, a fake price, but that should feel justified. If the price is not, if they are not feeling that price is justified, then you'll have to increase the value by adding more and more products. That's what you have to do. Then we'll be giving them a price anchor, right? They would be thinking about that the price of your product is $3,000. And then what we'll be doing is, then we'll be doing emotional close. So emotional close means, like, now we gonna be justify that price $3,000. If you pay $3,000 today, and my program guarantees that in the next 3 months you'll be making $3,000 a month, would that worth it? Yes. If you pay $3,000 a month and you can live a life where you can work from wherever you want and whenever you want without any restrictions, would that be worth it? Yes. If you are paying $3,000, $3,000 today for this framework, and that would make you around 100,000 US dollars in the next 12 months, would the price worth it? Yes, right? So that's how you have to basically do emotional close. So basically in Expert Secrets, Russell Brunson has given 16 statements for emotional close. You can read that from there. So there are 16 high converting, like high emotional statements. Basically that is for webinar pitches, high, if you have high ticket products. So we are doing just for self liquidating offers, which are generally low price. So we are not exaggerating that much on emotional close. But if the product would have been like $500, $1,000, or $4,000, if that is the ticket price, then we would have been exaggerating a lot on emotional close, on price anchor, on build value. The only difference in a high ticket amount pitch and this pitch is, there's only the only difference is we would be exaggerating a lot. So here, like, the price of our product is generally, we are assuming like this, we would be using this script only if we are selling a product worth $7 or $27 maximum to maximum $47. That's it. This would not be used if we are selling more than $47 product. So we can easily reflect the value to $300 for a $47 product, right? So that would be the maximum price we would be faking. But if you would be faking $3,000 for a $47 product, then you'll have to put so much emphasis on all of the things. Everything should look genuine. then we would be revealing the exact price. So I'm not giving you now. Uh, now tell the readers that how much they're actually going to pay. The price should be much lower than the price you floated earlier. So I'm not going to charge you $300 or $500 for this thing. Like I'm only going to charge you around $47 for this, and you will be getting all of these things in those $47. Now we are revealing the exact price. Then we'll be giving them guarantee, right? So all the risk is on me. If you use this for next 30 days, if you don't get any benefit, the money is on us. We would be paying for us. You will be getting 100% refund on a single email. So everything is on us. You have to give them guarantee. Like I'm just giving you an example. The guarantee can be in any form, right? It's not that you have to refund pitch, you have to pitch refund every time. That's totally up to you. If you can make your pitch strong, then that's not important. Then we have to inject scarcity. Scarcity is really, really important, right? So before scarcity, if you want to introduce scarcity, then nothing is gonna be working out. So scarcity is really important. So give the buyers a legitimate reason to buy now. That's what you have to do. Then we have future pacing. So we would have to help them see how awesome their lives are about to become after buying the product, right? So we are just exaggerating a little bit more. So just imagine but life it would be when you will achieve your dreams, and like we'll have to fill those words, right? And then we have call to action. Then we would be giving them the call to action. We would have to let them know but what to do to make the purchase. That's the call to action. Then that's what we will be doing. Then we have post selling. Post selling will be building relations with them in emails. We would be you would be nurturing them so that we can get more money out of their pocket. Then we have take away selling warning. So you'll have to let them know that hey, see, that doesn't matter whether you buy our product or not. That is not gonna affect us. We are doing this much and this, and we still gonna this much this and this. But if you will take this action today, then that can take your life, change your life. That's what you have to do. And last but not the least, the 35 element of 35th and the last element is you will have to close that with a reminder. The reminder would be like just a quick recap for schemers, right? That's it. So that's what we have. That's what you have to do. That's the price you are giving. If you really want to move ahead, just get it now, right? So that is self-liquidating offer pitch, SLO pitch, star story solution page in 35 elements shared by Russell Benson in .com secrets. And honestly, you can implement it wherever you want, whenever you want, in every field you want. That's totally up to you. This I have used the same script when I was in direct selling space, when I was selling door to door products. Yeah, I have sold door to door products, and I was using the same strategy. The only difference was I was exaggerating a little bit on a couple of elements than other elements. That's what, like, we used to exaggerate a lot on the stacking, which is 25th element build value. We used to exaggerate a lot over 25th element and 26th element, which is price anchor. So that's what we used to do. That totally depends on everyone's experience. So that's all for the day. Chapter 14, chapter 15 is completed, which was self-liquidating offer. And see you tomorrow with chapter 16, which is continuity funnel. That is going to be a very short chapter, would hardly take us 5 to 10 minutes. So if you have any questions, we can see tomorrow, we can meet tomorrow, and let's have this done. Thank you guys. Thanks a lot. See you tomorrow in the next chapter.